Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to identify phishing messages in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This is where you'll be able to access all your messages and begin the process of identifying potentially suspicious content. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, select the suspicious email you want to check and identify as a potential phishing message. Take a moment to review the subject line and sender information before proceeding. Once you've selected the email, double-click on it to open it in a new window. This will give you a clearer view of the message content and make it easier to examine its properties. Now that the email is open, look at the top part of your screen and click on the File menu. This menu gives you access to important email properties and settings that aren't immediately visible in the regular email view. It's a crucial step in verifying whether an email is legitimate or potentially harmful. Once your File menu has opened, look for the Email Properties option and click on it. This will reveal technical details about the email that most users don't typically see. An Email Properties window will appear on your screen, displaying various information about the message. Now, look at the Internet Headers section located at the bottom part of this window. This section contains all the technical routing information about how the email reached your inbox. From here, simply look for the sender's email address in the internet headers and make sure it matches the sender's email address displayed in your inbox. This is the most prominent and reliable way of identifying phishing messages. If the email address in the headers doesn't match what's shown as the sender, or if it looks suspicious with unusual characters or domain names, then you've likely identified a phishing attempt. Scammers often disguise their real email addresses to make messages appear legitimate, but the internet headers will always reveal the true source. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify suspicious emails and protect yourself from phishing attempts in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.